Well, healthcare workers at testing sites, many working overtime shifts, are dealing with a new issue: threats and intimidation from those people waiting in lineups.
The CTV's Binder Sudjan reports mixed messaging from the province may be adding to frustrations.
Long lineups at testing sites sparking fumes, and increasingly healthcare workers are facing intimidation, threats, and verbal abuse.
We've seen a dramatic increase in demand for testing. People waiting a long time, people who may not get access to the test or the testing system that they want, and so in some cases they took out their frustrations.
The message: that behavior is unacceptable.
I think the public's frustrated. Nurses are frustrated. We're all done with this pandemic.
In some cases, the health minister says police were notified. Healthcare centers have bubble zones around them to prevent harassment. Now, additional security is being considered. At testing sites, you can often find nurses.
We just all need to realize that everybody in healthcare is doing everything they can right now, everywhere across this province, to try to support their patients.
Dr. Bonnie Henry says if you have mild symptoms and are vaccinated, assume you have COVID-19 and isolate. A test isn't required. Some health authorities direct people to the provincial Thrive app, which, if you have enough symptoms, will tell you to get a test without mentioning PCR tests are prioritized for healthcare workers, young kids, and older adults.
We'll take a look, certainly, at the Thrive app, because it's a good point you make, and we're going to obviously continue to communicate on these issues.
After missing the mark and having people wait way longer than they thought they'd have to, Vancouver Coastal is giving up on posting testing wait times.
I think we all need to try to stay out of the lineups and keep ourselves safe, do what we can, get our vaccines, get our boosters.
With long queues to get boosters at the convention center, that too could require some patience. Binder Sudjan, CTV News, Victoria.